In algebra, you'll come across verbal expressions, and you need to write them into algebraic expressions. Let's go through these problems, and I will highlight the key words you need to be mindful of. Number 1, 5 more than a number. More than is addition. We have 5 more than is plus. A number is an unknown. We're going to use a variable, x, to represent that unknown. Number 2, 5 less a number. Less is subtraction. And once again, a number, that's going to be another unknown. Do I have 5 less is minus a number? We're going to use x. 1/3 of the total. Of is multiplication in this case. You have 1/3 of times. The total is an unknown. And we'll use a variable. This time we're going to use the variable t. Before we continue, I just wanted to point out that these variables, whether it's x or t, are simply placeholders that you may solve for at a later time. You can use any letter you want. Number 4, 5 less than x. The phrase less than means we will be subtracting 5 from x. Let's compare this with number 2, 5 less a number. When you have less follow a number, you subtract that value. When you have less than, this gets flipped around where you are subtracting the value before it. So we have x minus 5. Number 5, the product of 3 and x. Product tells you it's multiplication. So this is 3 times x. Number 6, the product of 3 and x to the 5th power. Let's do this part first, because this is the same as number 5. The product of 3 and x is 3 times x. To the 5th power, we're going to raise x to the 5th power. This is not the same as 3 times x raise the entire thing to the 5th power. The way this is worded is that only x is raised to the exponent. And that's it for these questions. If you enjoyed the video or you learned something new, hit the like button and subscribe. Thanks for watching. See you next time.